Let's go over the install of the JLT splash guards for your 15 to 19 Hellcat Charger. We'll start with the front. There's 3 factory push pins right here. If you look on each one of them, there's a slot between the top head and the centerpiece. Put a screwdriver in there and you pry the center out. And remove them. Take your JLT splash guard with the texture facing the rear. Go ahead and start at the bottom one here. Insert that all the way in. And work your way up. Take the supplied U-channel, sandwich that between the fender and the splash guard. And you can see with me grabbing both of these how tight that is. Now do the same process for the rear.